Question 434. You have 30 seconds to ruin a date without talking. What would you do?
Fart.
Can you do that on
talk.
demand? You've only got 30
try.
seconds. You can
try.
try. Just stand there.
I would invert the amount of eye contact I make.
You mean you glare at them?
I normally make almost no eye contact, so I would change to making constant, uncomfortable eye contact. I would not break eye contact at all for the entire 30 seconds.
How about I'd use the lines, could I talk to you about Jesus?
You're not allowed to, you can't
You're
talk.
not allowed to say anything.
Oh, no, you can't, can you?
Mathpix says
at
helicopter.
The moment, I'd cough directly in their face.
Get arrested for terrorism.
Ring says induce vomiting.
Pick my nose.
You know. Sammy says masturbate. Seraphim says screech.
Seems a recurring thing.
Throw my drink over them.
You drink it. Nerdy says be myself. You can't praise Trump. It's talking, but you can pick your nose.
You just put on a MAGA hat.
Put on a MAGA hat.
I'd go for the Austin Powers approach.
Which one?
Expose my nipples and start rubbing them while making eye contact and sticking out my tongue.
If I did that, it might go better.
I think that would work.
I want to know why the chat has got all this Trump paraphernalia.
Well, I've got a MAGA hat.
Do you take it on dates with you?
Not usually.
You could if you wanted to ruin it.
That's more because I don't go on dates than because I don't take the hat.
I have a dump Trump shirt.
I've told the story of why I have the hat already.
You have.
Snog the waiter.
Again, that might encourage someone else.
I could just hand her one of like Nathan Thompson's flat Earth like leaflets.
Terrifying.
Pour an expensive bottle of wine onto my date's meal.
I want to get you pissed faster.
Oh no! I could really obviously loosen the cap of the salt and pepper.
Seraphim says lick their forehead, giggling madly. I think that might be the most effective. Right, next question.
Put a Book of Mormon down on the table beside you.
There are places in the world that will get you laid.
Yeah. No, there aren't. There really aren't. Well, maybe eventually, but not that night.
maybe in Utah, but that might be about it.
Oh, can I get the magic underwear?
They've stopped making magic underwear.
Oh no!
Yeah. You only want the magic underwear so you can leave it somewhere inappropriate.
Yeah, why have they stopped making the magic underwear? That's their one thing.
Because they're making masks at the moment.
They don't. That's their one thing. They don't have anything else noteworthy.
They're making magic masks. I bet you they'll carry on making them.
Said attend in your magic underwear, and I'm assuming she means only your magic underwear.
Attend with my magic underwear on my head.
No, it's very big. It covers your entire. It's like long johns, isn't it?
I could tie it like a turban.
Then it'd look like a turban, not underwear.
Yeah. So then, firstly, I'm assuming that the person that I'm dating expects me to wear the magic underwear. I turn up with a turban on, and when they look at me very confused because I'm presenting myself in the costume of the wrong faith, I can take the turban off and display that it is in fact the magic underwear.
Seems convoluted for a very quick 30-second ruin the date.
It would do the job though.
Just show up with an SS armband on your arm.
Again, that would get you laid in some places. Depressingly.
Wouldn't get
Scarily,
me
yeah.
laid in some places. Might get me killed.
Yeah, in other places. If you enjoyed that, please hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down. If you think you've got a better answer or just want to tell us how wrong we are, leave a comment down below. Subscribe down here for new questions every day and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss out on our live shows. If you click over here, you'll see our latest upload. Over here, for what YouTube thinks you'll love the most. And finally, for a complete playlist of all our currently released questions, click here.